How to install a toilet. You're gonna need a small wrench, a caulk gun, caulk, paper towels, screwdriver, Phillips head bit, and a flexible water line, and a new toilet seat, and a new toilet. This came with all the pieces that it needs also, and gloves. And this is a Gerber brand toilet. This is the drain of the toilet. These screws are going to, these bolts are gonna fit in here, like in these cutouts. And then we'll put the nuts on these, and then the toilet base will fit on top of these bolts here. And the wax ring will go over this opening. Take the bolt, take this washer, and it just fits over like so. And this washer goes on top of that. Wax ring goes in the center. Toilet base and just put it over the screws. You want to like sit on it a little bit to get it to like press out the wax, and so that it's flat with the floor, and the wax also seals it up on the inside. So this is how it should look on the sides when you put the base over the bolts. These are the cap bases, just put these over the bolts. Now put the washers on. Now put the nuts on. Now you're gonna tighten the nuts down with the wrench. Don't tighten them too much because you can crack the porcelain, and then you gotta start all over. Now put the caps on. This is the tank of the toilet. Comes with all the components inside, like the lever, the handle, the flapper, and the fill valve. We just gotta connect the chain. So now this rubber piece goes here where the tank meets the base. Just fits over the hole or the opening in the tank, like so. Now this goes on top of the base. And put these spacers in, they go in between the tank and the base. Now these are the bolts that go inside. They attach the base, they attach the tank to the base. Just make sure like these rubber O-rings are on there, because these stop the water from flowing out of them. They just go in like so, and you just screw these pieces around the bolts as they pop out at the bottom. See, they're gonna go there, like in that hole, and then in that hole, and those holes should line up between the tank and the base. This is what it looks like at the like between the tank and the base of the toilet. Like the bolt just goes through that hole of the base right there. We're gonna tighten those down with the plastic nut. Other side, like that. Nuts. Water line, attach it to the source first. start with your hands. Use a wrench. Toilet seat on. I made another video for toilet seats, go check that out. Turn the water on. Check for leaks. Test it. Call up the toilet base. Made a video about that. Put the cover on. All good. Like and subscribe.